The Platformly WordPress plugin provides you with a quick and easy way to add your Platformly opt-in forms and landing pages to your WordPress site or blog, as well as track events and more. To start using it, first of all, you need to install Platformly WordPress plugin. You can do it in this way. Click Plugins, then click Add New, then search for plugins, enter Platformly, click Enter, and you see here is our Platformly plugin. You need to activate it here. In our case, the plugin is already installed. You can check it out here. Here is the Platformly plugin that already installed. The next step you should do is to enter an API key, which can be found inside the Platformly members area. Here, in the API docs and key sections, you can find it. Then choose one of the API key from the existing projects and simply add it here and click Save. So after creating opt-in forms or landing pages with our builder, you can add them to your WordPress site or blog in just a few clicks. As you can see, with Platformly plugin, you can easily add and manage all of your events, pages, and opt-in forms. Let's check one quick example on how to add an opt-in form to your WordPress website. We previously created this opt-in form with Platformly, and now is our goal to add it to our WordPress website. So, to publish an opt-in form, please follow these steps. First of all, select the project. I have only one here. Then, select an opt-in form from previously created. Here is the test form that I created for this that I just showed you. And then, choose where to show the opt-in. You can show it everywhere, on pages, on posts, everywhere except some pages. You can choose here the pages where you don't want to show your opt-in form and show only on specific pages. For example, now we want to show our opt-in form only on this page. Then please select a position. It could be center, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Let's say we want to see our opt-in form center, and then please select how the opt-in will be showed. It can pop, slide, or fade. We can choose pop. Then select a trigger. Trigger could be show after X seconds, so you can choose after how many seconds you want to show your opt-in, show after the person scrolled 20, 30, 40% of your page, or show on exit intent. In our case, we can try it to show on exit intent. So it will be showed when the user navigates to close tab or window, and the opt-in will be triggered. Also, you can tick or untick these options, close opt-in if user clicks away, or blur the page while the opt-in is visible, so we won't be change anything here. And then click Save. So you can see that opt-in form here was created. All of the settings are saved. Now we need to check if it was added to our page. So let's check it now. Now let's check how our opt-in form looks on the chosen page. So basically we are trying to exit the page and the opt-in form triggers. You can close it here, or you can enter your email here and get coupon. Now you can see that it's super easy to add any opt-in form or landing page to your WordPress website.